Hello, my name is Matilda Amolo, founder, CEO of Great Lake Feeds Limited, producing affordable, quality fingerlings and fish feeds for sustainable fish farming in rural parts of Lake Victoria. My business addresses the problem of overfishing in Lake Victoria by promoting fish farming, reducing dependency on the lake's dwindling resources to improve the ecosystems and tackle water pollution. This initiative supports the local economy by increasing fish supplies, creating sustainable source of income. We are empowering women by providing them with an alternative source of fish so that we can remove their need to engage in sex for fish, which has troubled the region for a long time. We operate a cage cluster site on Lake Victoria where we have placed fish farming cages for the local farmers and employed a skilled aquaculture personnel who monitor water quality and fish growth to ensure optimal productivity. We also address security, a major concern for many fish farmers, by providing robust protection for the site. Fish cage farming significantly contributes to increased fish production and reduce environmental impact. However, the major challenge has been the cage surveillance and feeding, which has been costly due to frequent visiting by engine boats, which also contributes to pollution. And to tackle this, there's need to have drones for climate smart feeding and surveillance. Tilapia fish are supposed to be fed 3 times in a day, yet sometimes wave can be very rough and unsafe for fish feeders. We want to use the drones for feeding the fish, surveillance and water quality maintenance. A unit made of temperature, turbidity and pH sensors will be attached to the cage, which will record the readings from the sensors. These readings will be attached to smartphones through an app. Then aquaculturists will monitor and take appropriate measures to maintain the water quality using the drone. Feed dispenser tank will be fixed at the bottom of the drone, filled with fish feeds, and then will be regulated to eliminate overfeeding. And our water drones will be used to monitor the fish from below for observation. By implementing this project, there will be improved security of the feeders as well as savings by 10% on feeding and surveillance expenses. There will be improved water quality, impacting on the fish farmers as well as the population living around the lake. Thank you.